Hello to all. Today we are reading chapter number 6, Omana's Journey. Omana and her best friend Radha were very excited. They were going on a train trip to Kerala. Basically, this chapter is about two girls, Omana and Radha. They are best friend and they were going on a train trip to Kerala. So in this chapter, we get to know about the train trip, the long journey from Gujarat to Kerala. Omana was going to her grandmother's house and Radha was going with her family for a holiday. So Omana and Radha were very excited because they are best friends and they are going together on a train trip. Omana's grandmother lived in Kottayam in Kerala and Radha was going with her family for a holiday in Kerala. And Omana's father had gone to book train tickets for both the families. So her father had to book the train tickets for this journey. So guys, first of all, let's see the India's political map. From this map, you can easily understand the train trip, the long journey, which Omana and her friend, they had planned from Gujarat to Kerala. As you can see in Gujarat, this is Gandhidham station, and from this station, the train started and through a long journey, they reached to Kottayam in Kerala. So many stations are there: Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Panvel, Madgaon, Mangalore, and then they reached to Kottayam. This is the long journey. You can easily understood from this map. Let's move forward. Then just 2 days before their journey, Radha fell down from her bicycle and fractured her right leg. Her leg was put in plaster. The doctor said that she should not move her leg for 6 weeks. Radha's family had to cancel their tickets and the two friends were very sad. They had made so many plans about what they would do together on the trip. Then Radha's Amma had an idea. Omana, why don't you write down everything about your trip in a diary? Then when you come back, Radha can read all about your trip. This is the way you will not forget anything and it will also help you to pass the time on the train. So what happened? Just 2 days before, Radha fell down from her bicycle and her leg got fractured. Then doctor said she should not move her leg for 6 weeks. So their family had to cancel their tickets. They had to cancel their plan. But Radha and Omana, the two best friends, they were very sad after this because they want to go together. But Radha's Amma had an idea and she told Omana that why don't you make a diary and write everything about your trip in that diary so that your best friend can read all about it. So both the friends thought this was a good idea. Omana and Radha thought that this is a good idea because Omana went home and found a notebook with blank pages to write all about her journey. So whatever Omana will feel about the journey, she write down in that diary, and after that she can show this diary to her best friend. So Omana found a notebook with the blank pages and she has decided to write all about her journey in that diary. So in this chapter, here are some pages from Omana's diary for you to read. So we are reading Omana's journey from her diary itself. So this is the diary page of Omana. Let's move forward. This is Omana's diary. What she has written: on 16 May, she has mentioned the date and the time. On 16th May, As soon as we had reached the station, we checked our names on the reservation chart. Soon the train reached the platform. We saw that the coach was already full. The train had started early in the morning from Gandhidham in Kutch. As you can see in this picture, this is Gandhidham station and Omana's family have to board the train. They have to check their names on the reservation chart. This is the platform and the train reached at the platform, and they saw that the coaches are already full because so many passengers are inside the train. They have to come out and others have to move inside. The train started early in the morning from Gandhidham in Kutch. When the train came, there was so much confusion because people were getting off and others were pushing and trying to put their luggage inside, all from one door. We somehow managed to get in, find our seats and put our luggage under them. By the time train started, most people had found their seats and arranged their luggage. After some time, the ticket collector came and checked our tickets to see that we were in our proper seats or not. Amma and Appa had the lower berth. It means they are sitting in the lower berth. Unni and I have the middle berths. There are two college students who have the upper berths. Berth means the seat of the train. As you can see in this picture, this is a picture of the train from inside, and the berths are called the seat of the train. The upper seat is called upper berth, then middle berth and the lower berth. Berth means the seat. And they have boarded the train. They are getting inside and the TC, the ticket checker, checked their tickets. Omana was writing in her diary whatever she felt inside the train. She said there are two college students who have the upper berth, who are sitting on the upper seat of the train, and on the other berth, on the other seats, there is a family with two children and they seem to be about our age. I will go and talk to them later. Now I am sitting near the window and I have started writing about our journey, just I had promised you. So Omana is starting writing in a diary. I will stop now because Amma has opened the tiffin box. Amma had packed a lot of food, dhokla with chutney, lemon rice and some mithai also. My mouth is watering. I will write more later. So Omana has written all about her journey till lunchtime because her Amma has opened the tasty food. Now after the lunch, again Omana started writing in her diary. The time is mentioned here on 16 May at 4:30. After the lunch, some people slept, but I was not sleepy. I kept looking out of the window. I saw many fields, but they all were brown and dry. Sometimes we passed small villages. We seemed to be flying by. We passed small villages. They seem to be flying by. Do you know that when the train is at very high speed, things outside seem to be running in the opposite direction? So Omana was writing everything whatever she felt in the train. The train moved very fast and everything from the outside seems to be running in the opposite direction. You can see in this picture, Omana is looking outside from the window. Earlier it was really hot. Now that it is evening, there is some breeze. The sun is slowly setting and the sky has become orange. I have never seen it look like this in Ahmedabad because they are living in Ahmedabad in Gujarat, and she has never saw this kind of sky The orange sky which she has noticed in this journey, it never seen in Ahmedabad. We have just passed a station called Valsad. Now the next station, Valsad, they have arrived. The train stopped for only 2 minutes, but even for the short time, there was so much noise. Chai garam chai, one man was calling Vatata Vada, so many vendors, so many people were there who are selling tea and Vatata Vada. They are selling the things on the stations. People were selling and buying food on the platform. We quickly bought some bananas and chikus through the window itself. So Omana was writing in her diary whatever she was doing that time. She was telling about that on the Valsad station they bought some bananas and chikus through the window. So next, what she has written on 16 at 8:30. I have made some friends. They are Sunil and Ann. They are going to their grandmother's house in Kozhikode. Kozhikode is also a place in Kerala. Sunil has given me some storybooks to read. So Omana is telling about her friend. She made 2 friends in the train, Sunil and Ann. They were also going to their grandmother's house, and their grandmother's house is in Kozhikode. It is also in Kerala. A little while ago, I went to brush my teeth, but there was no water in the bathroom. Somebody said that it will only be filled at the next big station. This much in this chapter. So the journey of Omana will continue in the next chapter, chapter number 7, From the Window. We will continue this journey in the next chapter in our next video. Bye everyone.